a step-by-step guide to exploring the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum. The Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the life and legacy of America's 16th president. The museum, located in Springfield, Illinois, provides a comprehensive and engaging look at Lincoln's life. From his humble beginnings in Kentucky to his rise to the presidency and ultimately his tragic assassination. Discover the technology and innovations used at the museum. One of the highlights of the museum is the Ghosts of the Museum show, which combines live actors, special effects, and state-of-the-art technology to bring Lincoln's story to life in a truly immersive way. It's really powerful. The show provides a unique and engaging way to learn about Lincoln's life and legacy and is a must-see for both adults and children. We end up seeing it twice. Another must-see attraction at the museum is the Union Theater, which features a variety of films and documentaries that provide additional context and background on Lincoln's life and times. The theater provides an excellent opportunity to learn more about Lincoln and the Civil War era in a dynamic and engaging way. Overall, the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum is a fascinating and educational experience that provides a deeper understanding of one of America's most revered leaders. The Ghosts of the Museum and Union Theater are added advantages to the visit, which makes it a perfect blend of learning and entertainment. I highly recommend a visit to this museum for anyone interested in American history. The fee for the museum is $15 per adult and $12 for each student. The site is open year-round and is wheelchair accessible. I would recommend visiting on a weekday if possible, as it can get quite busy on weekends.